Step 1. Begin by finding a quiet and comfortable space where you can relax and focus on your body. Step 2. Apply a massage oil or lotion to your hands to reduce friction and allow for smoother movements. Step 3. Start with your neck, gently kneading the muscles at the base of your skull using your fingertips. Step 4. Move down to your shoulders using circular motions with your thumbs to release tension in the upper traps. Step 5. For your arms, gently squeeze and roll the muscles, working from your wrist towards your shoulders. Step 6. Focus on any tender spots, applying gentle pressure and holding for 20 to 30 seconds to release knots. Step 7. When massaging your legs, use your thumbs and palms to knead your calf muscles firmly. Step 8. For the thighs, use broad strokes to massage the quads, hamstrings, and inner thighs, working upwards. Step 9. If you have one, try using a foam roller on your larger muscle groups like your quads and back. Step 10. Roll slowly and deliberately, pausing on any trigger points to allow the muscles to release. Step 11. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the self-massage session to help relax your muscles. Step 12. Finish with gentle stretching to further improve flexibility and muscle recovery after the self-massage.